So I went out. This tooth swelling has increased, man. So I went out for my this thing, a tailor shop. I wanted to what do you call it? I made a new tank. This is the one I've been wearing, and I thought I'll get it tailored. So tailor was not there, and what do you call it? Uh, You know, now what the Reddit must be saying there, what she has to say about this. You know what she will say? Oh, it's not him, honey. It's not. Matlab, who is she? For her information, she wanna say that no, she didn't do any honey potting, honey. Look, the cameras are out there. I don't have to give anything. Cameras are out there. So you know who that girl is. Who is that? Who? In the morning, who stayed with a pimp and said that did that thing. So I should see where the noise is coming from. I saw, I understood, and I went away. Uh, so who is she? Who is after? Who is after? And who is after me? Who is after me? Who is after? And who is after me? And my face is smashed. I think she has this news. No, she didn't have. She don't have this actually. Only degree information she has. Okay, from the hidden box. Okay, and this the victim of honey potting. He will kill me. So, it's not gonna work, honey. It's not gonna work. Whatever you wanna do in your life. Why you wanna do this thing to me? Did I block your hands, block your web? Nothing. I didn't. I mean, why you wanna defame me? Why you wanna do this? Wi-Fi is not there, and you've been doing this. Why? If I had something with anyone, then I'll directly go and speak. But it's not nothing like that. Hmm. Directly I'll go and ask. Hmm. But it's nothing like that until the court papers. I have to fill those 3 years, right? 3 years of fill is. So I gotta go at my places, hit my places, bars, disco clubs. समझे? 3 years of. But देखा तू याद आने लगे. My brother is playing song for you now because of your honey potting. What have you done to him? Two, three, 2, 3 days I saw him walking. I don't know what that was the case. गरीब बेवकूफ़ है रे बेचारा वो समझते नहीं उसको हाँ so this so I ask again who is after you and who is after me Mummy, so stop doing that whatever the hidden bugs defamation you did in the morning I think that's the case. That's why that reaction was there. Otherwise, why would I say so about you? Anyone, anyone, why would I say so? That thing happened in the morning, so I have to answer that, right? I have to give this on record, keep this on record. The Wi-Fi, the what do you call it? The event which happened today. So I have to keep this stuff on record, which will be very important in the case in future. Oh, yeah. Some more, some are just the what do you call it? Just the records, and some are used in for high purposes. Isn't it? I don't know whether this thing is gonna uh, help me in future or not, but I don't think it's just a normal thing. But I want to say, who is after you? And who is after me? What the answer? And my face is smashed. Huh? अच्छा तो ये तो उसकी बात है, ज़्यादा इतना इतना भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए मतलब इतना भी क्लास नहीं लेना चाहिए किसी की, क्योंकि ख़राब लग जाएगा. उन्होंने सुबह ऐसा क्यों किया मुझे भी नहीं मालूम, बट आई हैव टू आंसर दिस. द वाईफाई इज शट एंड इफ एनीथिंग इज डन, सो दैट मीन्स इट्स डन. दोज आर द पीपल. सो दैट्स वाई जी Pekka think if it's done last night, then those are the people. Wi-Fi was shut, and if they are not, they why did they do in the morning this way? I have no clue why did they do this. So, what I gotta say? I have no clue what I was gonna. हाँ तो ये जो not the Reddit, this is a different case now. I have to speak about something else. तो ये जो है ना, ये जो कर रहे हैं ना ये सब, ये कौन लोग है मालूम है क्या? ये खुद के पति को लटका के और नकली बॉल वॉल उन लोग ला के रखे. ट्रस्ट मी, वो लोग रात भर एक दूसरे के साथ चैट करते हुए खीखी खीखी करते रहते. ट्रस्ट मी, they must have started imagining their husband in those ladies costume now. जो सच में ओरिजिनल है तो उनको इमेजिन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, वो लोग तो रोज देखते हैं. लेकिन जो फेक बैंक अकाउंट, अच्छा they spreaded my nudes, sex videos, then that for sex video there should be another person with me, right? So the resemblance should be from the fake bank account. Huh? Why would I pay anyone if I didn't taste their ass? So the fake bank account has how many asses I have tasted. Let me see who those people are. Or I didn't, someone tasted it and the client list is been vanished. समझे? So I must say, every woman out there who was a part of this scam have won by humiliating their husband, fathers and brothers. Those are your husband, fathers and brothers are the trans hookers. Woman has won.